Welcome the students of AC Civil for the subject Concrete Technology, Unit 3, Properties and Testing of Hardened Concrete. We will use the reference books M.A. Shetty, Concrete Technology Theory and Practice, M.L. Gambhir, Concrete Technology Theory and Practice, A.M. Nevle, Properties of Concrete. Now we will see the course objectives. With the successful completion of the course, students should have the capability to know the properties of various ingredients of concrete and concept of mixed design. Second course objective is to learn the behavior and properties of concrete in fresh state and hardened state. Third course objective is to understand special concrete and their applications. Fourth course objective is to understand the durability aspect and preventive measures to enhance the life of concrete. Now we will see the course outcomes. On successful completion of this course, student will be able to select the various ingredients of concrete and its suitable proportion to achieve desired strength. Second course outcome, able to check the properties of concrete in fresh state and hardened state. Third course outcome, get acquainted to concreting equipments, techniques and different types of special concrete. Fourth course outcome, able to predict deteriorations in concrete and get acquainted to various repairing methods and techniques. This is the syllabus of Unit 3, Properties and Testing of Hardened Concrete, which includes A part, Hardened Concrete, which includes strength of concrete, factors affecting strength, micro cracking and stress-strain relationship, relation between tensile and compression strength, impact strength, abrasion resistance, creep and shrinkage. It also includes Part B, testing of hardened concrete, which includes destructive test, compression strength, flexural strength, indirect tensile strength, core test. It also includes non-destructive test, rebound hammer, ultrasonic pulse velocity, pull-out test and impact echo test. Now we will have the revision of unit number 3, properties and testing of hardened concrete. So in first lecture we have seen part A, hardened concrete. In that we have seen strength of concrete and factors affecting the strength of concrete. In second lecture we have seen similarly the part A, hardened concrete. We have seen micro cracking and stress strain relationship. In third lecture we have seen A part, hardened concrete. In that we have seen relation between tensile and compression strength, impact strength, abrasion resistance, creep and shrinkage. In fourth lecture we have seen part B, testing of hardened concrete, the destructive test, compression strength, flexural strength, indirect tensile strength and core test. And in fifth lecture we have seen B part, testing of hardened concrete, non-destructive test, rebound hammer, ultrasonic pulse velocity, pull-out test and impact echo test. So this is the syllabus of unit number 3, properties and testing of hardened concrete. Part A, hardened concrete, which includes strength of concrete, factors affecting strength, micro cracking and stress strain relationship, relation between tensile and compression strength, impact strength, abrasion resistance, creep and shrinkage. It also includes part B, testing of hardened concrete, which include destructive test, compression strength, flexural strength, indirect tensile strength, core test, non-destructive test, rebound hammer, ultrasonic pulse velocity, pull-out test and impact echo test. Now we will see the YouTube links available on YouTube. First is the strength of concrete number 1. Next YouTube link, fresh concrete part 1. Water cement ratio of concrete, strength of concrete number 2. Gel space ratio, strength of concrete number 3. Strength of concrete number 1. Maturity concept of concrete, strength of concrete number 8. 11 factors that can affect the strength of concrete. Factors affecting the strength of concrete, ways to gain more strength of concrete. Next YouTube link, micro concrete Ultratech Microcrete, Sika same fiber force avoid cracks in concrete and mortar. Next YouTube link, plastic shrinkage and settlement cracking in concrete. Next YouTube link, design stress strain curve for concrete and steel, RCC booster, stress strain curve for concrete and steel, stress strain behavior, concrete stress strain curve, early age 4 days. Next YouTube link, how to determine split tensile strain test of concrete, laboratory concrete number 2, relation between compressive and tensile strength of concrete number 9, relation between compressive strength and flexural strength of concrete. Next YouTube link, how to determine compression strength of the concrete, laboratory concrete test number 1, how to determine split tensile strength test of concrete, laboratory concrete test number 2, how to determine flexural strength test of concrete, laboratory concrete test number 3, how to determine the compressive strength of cement, cement test number 3, abrasion resistance of concrete paving blocks, creep introduction, creep of concrete. Next YouTube link, creep mechanism, lecture 36, creep, shrinkage of concrete continued. Next YouTube link, creep and shrinkage of concrete, plastic shrinkage and thermal shrinkage of concrete, properties of fresh concrete number 6, shrinkage, drying shrinkage, prevention of plastic shrinkage cracks. Next YouTube link, how to determine compressive strength of the concrete, laboratory concrete test number 1, compressive strength of cement concrete cubes, test for compressive strength of concrete cube casting. Next YouTube link, test for compressive strength of concrete cube testing, how to determine flexural strength test of concrete, laboratory concrete test number 3, flexural strength test, difference between split tensile strength and flexural strength of concrete in tension, how to determine split tensile strength test of concrete, laboratory concrete test number 2, split cylinder testing, ASTM C496, concrete core test, concrete core cutting, concrete core capping, concrete core test machine. Next YouTube link, cement concrete core test of rigid pavement with calculation. Next YouTube link, surface hardness methods, rebound hammer test, non-destructive testing methods number 2, non-destructive testing methods of concrete number 1, rebound hammer test complete practical with calculation. Next YouTube link, lecture 5, rebound hammer test. The Cornice concrete cowboy explains the Swiss hammer, the non-destructive concrete test method. Module 1, lecture 34, basic non-destructive testing for concrete structures. Next YouTube link, ultrasonic pulse velocity test for concrete, non-destructive testing methods, NDT number 8, ultrasonic pulse velocity test for concrete, non-destructive testing, ultrasonic pulse velocity test on a pier, ultrasonic pulse velocity meter, ultrasonic concrete tester demo part 1, ultrasonic pulse velocity meter NDT of concrete, direct, semi-direct, indirect mode demo part 1, IS 516. Next YouTube link, ultrasonic pulse velocity test of concrete, ultrasonic pulse velocity test. Next YouTube link, pull out resistance test for concrete, non-destructive testing methods, NDT number 4, pull off resistance method for concrete, James Bond test, non-destructive testing methods, NDT number 5, pull out strength bond strength test on hardened cement concrete, lab testing video, pull out test concrete block. Next YouTube link, impact echo test for concrete, non-destructive testing methods, NDT number 9, impact echo test, non-destructive test of concrete, impact echo instruments, PET, that is pile echo tester. Now we will see the assignment. The assignment number 3, first question, explain in detail strength of concrete. Second question for assignment number 3 is describe the factors affecting the strength of concrete. Third question, elaborate in detail the micro cracking in concrete. Fourth question for assignment number 3 is compare stress strain relationship of concrete with mild steel and TMT steel. Fifth question, illustrate the relation between tensile strength and compression strength of hardened concrete. Sixth question, explain in detail impact strength of concrete. Seventh question for the assignment number 3 is elaborate the abrasion resistance of concrete. Eighth question is illustrate the creep of concrete. Ninth question is define shrinkage of concrete and explain each in detail. 10th question, enlist different destructive tests of concrete. 11th question, explain in detail the compression strength test on concrete. 12th question, illustrate in detail the flexural strength on concrete. 13th question, conclude on the indirect tensile strength of concrete in detail. 14th question, explain in detail core test on concrete. 15th question, enlist different non-destructive test NDT of concrete. 16th question, describe rebound hammer test on concrete. 17th question, describe ultrasonic pulse velocity test on concrete. 18th question, describe pull-out test on concrete. 19th question, describe impact echo test on concrete. Now we will see the exercise. So in this question paper, April 2017, here we can see question number 4A. State the various types of destructive test carried on hardened concrete. Explain flexural test for 6 marks. Then we will see the next question paper. Next question paper, the question number 3A. Write a short notes on. It is of 6 mark. First is the shrinkage and second is the swelling. Similarly, question number 4A. Explain the compressive strength of concrete, how it is determined in laboratory, for 6 marks. Next question paper we will see question number 4A. Explain the principle of rebound hammer and draw a neat sketch and limitations of rebound hammer. So this is the syllabus of unit number 3, properties and testing of hardened concrete. Part A, hardened concrete, which includes strength of concrete, factors affecting strength, micro cracking and stress strain relationship, relation between tensile and compressive strength, impact strength, abrasion resistance, creep and shrinkage. It also includes part B, testing of hardened concrete, which include destructive test, compression strength, flexural strength, indirect tensile strength, core test, non-destructive test, rebound hammer, ultrasonic pulse velocity, pull-out test and impact echo test. So this is the syllabus of unit number 3, properties and testing of hardened concrete, which includes part A, hardened concrete, which includes strength of concrete, factors affecting strength, micro cracking and stress strain relationship, relation between tensile and compression strength, impact strength, abrasion resistance, creep and shrinkage. It also includes part B, testing of hardened concrete, which includes destructive test, compression strength, flexural strength, indirect tensile strength, core test. Non-destructive test includes rebound hammer, ultrasonic pulse velocity, pull-out test and impact echo test. This is the YouTube link prepared by me. CT U3L1, CT U3L2, CT U3L3, CT U3L4, CT U3L5 and CT U3L6. So thank you all students.